Stop drowning in digital clutter. Let's unlock the power of tags in Dochub to transform your document chaos into streamlined order. Tired of endless searching for that one crucial document? Dochub's tagging system is your secret weapon, designed to make finding what you need, when you need it, an absolute breeze. Let's dive into how to implement this game-changing feature. First, locate the document you want to tag within your Dochub dashboard. You'll see a column for tags, or you might need to open the document details. Click on the Add Tag button, or into the tag input. Field. This is where the magic begins. You can either type in a new tag for the first time, or select from a list of existing tags. Think about relevant categories, project name, client name, urgency level, or even document type. For example, if this is an important invoice, type invoice and hit enter. If you've tagged documents like this before, Dochub will conveniently suggest existing tags. Let's add another tag for this client. We'll enter Client A now. Let's say this document requires immediate attention. We'll add a new, distinct tag, urgent. See how easy that was? Your document is now categorized with multiple, meaningful keywords that enhance its findability. Now for the best part, retrieval. Head over to the search bar. Instead of remembering exact file names, you can simply search by your newfound tags. Let's search for Client A. Instantly, all documents associated with Client A appear, including the one we just tagged, along with any others you've previously tagged with the same keyword. This drastically speeds up your search and retrieval process. Or, if you need to find all your urgent tasks, just type urgent. This allows you to filter and view documents based on multiple criteria simultaneously, making your workflow incredibly efficient. By implementing a smart tagging system in Dochub, you're not just organizing files. You're building a powerful, searchable knowledge base. Enhance your document management, boost productivity, and say goodbye to lost files forever.